perfect blend of commercial and residential living that provides an ideal environment for startups and global businesses to thrive in, whilst giving residents a tranquil and serene environment that guarantees a thrill of lifestyle and recreation. Welcome to Itunu City, a commercial space and residential community spanning 100 acres. The commercial areas consist of parks and lakes for your leisure pleasure, a tech city where innovative and creative minds can work and thrive in, family entertainment center to enjoy joyful moments with your family, central business districts for corporate businesses and ventures, mini golf courses, gardens, knowledge parks, and lots more. The residential features include gated fence, security surveillance, 24 hours electricity, good road network, potable water, recreational facilities, central sewage system, and green areas. It is in close proximity to 𝐴𝑘pɛ Resort and Spa, the new international airport, 𝐴𝑘pɛ Fish Farm, Meander International School, and Crane Bogyard, Lagos. Investing in Itunu City gives you the opportunity to grow your money through land appreciation and capital gains with an initial deposit of 10 million naira for 1,000 square meters of the commercial plot and 5 million naira for 300 and 500 square meters respectively for the residential plot. And of course, you can get a flexible payment plan that is convenient for you. Now, all you have to do is call the number on your screen to get on board. You should get on board because the future is Itunu.